Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a REALME C30. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you can start customizing it, so you can sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for your data sharing preferences, accept or not, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and right here let's open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.